Fortunately, to my conviction, a quiet revolution takes place. Young people are coming together with music, with real concern. Masterpiece is really gaining the hearts and minds of the young generation. And within the religious world, it is extraordinary that we in all religions are realizing that we need each other to reach the goals of peace and justice. And so really in the last few years stronger and stronger ties are forming. And here in the United Nations, the headquarters of UNICEF, religious leaders have come together to have an alliance for water, sanitation, hygiene. It's one of the examples of an acceleration and an intensification of our common will to change. And we always know that what is needed is a change of heart, which allows us to have a change of behavior towards each other and to see each other as citizens of one village, a global village. I believe that never in history we have had such an opportunity to really make the difference, together and individually. A quiet revolution that we do not see in huge letters written, but is engraved in our heart.